Welcome to the pre-market report of 5/7/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 15,783. Top CPR is in 15,809 and bottom CPR is in 15,757. R1 placed in 15,905 and R2 placed in 15,974 and R3 placed in 16,095. S1 placed in 15,704 and S2 placed in 15,593 and S3 placed in 15,523. The center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 33,812. Top CPR is in 33,876 and bottom CPR is in 33,747. R1 placed in 34,108 and R2 placed in 34,275 and R3 placed in 34,571. S1 placed in 33,645 and S2 placed in 33,349 and S3 placed in 33,182. Let us check the global market first. Yesterday, US market was in holiday due to their Independence Day, but Canadian market was closed in positive. It gives slight positive direction to our market. Yesterday, most of the European market was closed in positive, but some of the European market was in negative. So, it's not giving any clear direction to our market today. Right now, most of the Asian market trading in positive direction. It gives slight positive direction to our market. Right now, all the US and European market trading in positive. It is also giving positive direction to our market. Nifty future trading around 15,864. Our previous day close was 15,835. It indicates market going to open in slight gap up, not more than 40 points. SGS Nifty also indicating market going to open somewhere around 15,864. It is also indicating market going to open slight gap up, not more than 30 points. Yesterday, the foreign institutional investors sold for 2,149 crores and domestic institutional investors bought for 1,688 crores. The overall institutional activity in sell side, it gives slight negative direction to our market. This is option chain data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now, 15,700 put option has highest open interest. It has 1,08,562 contract in open condition, as well as 16,000 call option has highest open interest. It has 1,07,607 contract in open condition. Moreover, 16,200 call option has 1,17,554 contract in open condition. The option writers believe market going to be expire between 16,000 to 15,700 by this week. That's why they write 15,700 call option in huge quantity, as well as 15,700 put option in huge quantity, as well as 16,000 call option in huge quantity. The foreign institutional investor has 14% long position in index future and 86% short position in index future, as well as the domestic institutional investor has 49% long in index future and 51% short in index future. FAS reduces the long position by 2%. It gives slight negative to our market. DI increases the long position by 3%. It gives slight positive to our market. The overall view is, yesterday US market was closed. Yesterday European market was closed in positive condition. Right now, most of the Asian market trading in positive condition. US and European future is also trading in positive condition. Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating market going to open slight gap up, not more than 40 point. FA is in sell side, DA is in buy side. As per the option writers view, market won't move beyond 16,000 in upside, as well as 15,700 in downside. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, as well as R1, R2, R3 in green, previous day high in dotted green, previous day low in dotted red. After that I marked S1, S2, S3 in red. The blue lines are the turning point which market took support or resistance earlier. The yellow line is gap border. which was not filled yet. Nifty future and US Nifty indicating market going to open somewhere around 15,870. This is just below to the gap border. Be aware the gap border going to be act as a good resistance as well as good support. I hope if market sustain above gap border for 15 minutes, then rally would be upside. Two things can happen today. The FAS has more number of short positions above 16,200, so they won't allow the market go beyond 16,200. They can start selling heavily by initial when market reaches 15,887. You can see the gap was created on 13th of June till it was not filled, but market filled the gap eventually in upcoming days. But most of the time market approaches the gap border and came down. It was not filled yet, so I hope today the gap going to be filled. If the FAs start selling initially, it will not happen. If FAs wait and then they start selling after market reaching 16,200, today market definitely will reach us 16,200. So don't take any position initially, just wait till 9:30. After 9:30 market sustains above 15,887, that means gap border, definitely there would be a short covering rally happen. So after that you may take position, book your profit at around 16,200. This is our final conclusion. I hope today the gap going to be full fast because the short covering rally will be fast and furious. FAs are more number of short position around 16,200. That means above 16,200. Definitely they will not allow the market to go up. But I hope today the gap will filled. But don't hold your position after 16,200. I hope market will face resistance at 16,200 and came down. So don't take any position initially. Just wait market to took support at 15,887. Once after market took support at 15,887, then the rally will be towards up direction around 16,200. This is our final conclusion.